Hi everyone. A short tutorial on how to fix this error on Nintendo 3DS. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube, and one of them says that we need to open this bag to clean the 3D card. As you can see, I opened the bag, clean the card, with the Wi-Fi on. That doesn't seem to fix it. I turn it off and on. This didn't fix it. So the only thing that actually worked for me was is that I um, turn off the Wi-Fi. Come back here. Let us turn off the Wi-Fi. I turn this off, and I turn off the device. Yeah, let's wait for the light to go out. Then wait for another 10 seconds or thereabout, and we can turn it on. So with the Wi-Fi turned off, then the device is good to go. See, so the problem was actually with the Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.